You almost bust your shit. I heard that, nigga.
Am I not cool enough to say hi to or something?
Oh, what up, nigga? Shit, I said something, nigga. Damn. I'll take shit real fast. Alright. Hey, what the fuck? I left 2 cigarettes in this motherfucker.
He sounds
Bro,
mad.
where the fuck my shit at? Hey, y'all hear me on this motherfucking toilet? Come on, get my dick swing. Hey, where the fuck?
Down.
Fuck.
I'll go up.
Damn.
Either way.
Niggas always doing this shit. Tired of this shit. They gotta work hard as this motherfucker. To smoke a cigarette and take a goddamn shit. My house, I pay the motherfucking bills. Hey, what the fuck, man? They got me out this motherfucking bathroom. When ass out and shit. What? Hey, bro, you smoke my motherfucking cigarette?
Nobody smokes those.
Shut your pussy ass up. Bro, hey, ain't nobody got no cigarette. Bro, I had 2 squares.
No, I just smoked
2
weed.
motherfucking squares. You niggas look like 2 squares right now.
Yeah, good. Calm down. Woosah. Hit this. I mean, you hit it first before you take a shit. I don't want to shit it done.
Vaping is way healthier. You should just vape.
Fuck your vape, man. Fuck your cigarette. Fuck that loud ass vape, nigga. If I can't shit in peace, ain't nobody having no peace.
Hey, Tony, bro, did you hear what happened to Marcus, my dude? Why is everybody looking at me?
I need you. And 2, it's sorry.
Fuck Marcus and that other nigga. Shit. I was gonna shit in peace. Damn it. And where the fuck is my light at?